Welcome back to Istanbul, your trusted destination for the future of automobiles, hypercar tech, and elite performance machines. If you love luxury, speed, and futuristic design, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because today, we're diving deep into something truly iconic, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece that redefines what a hypercar can be. Since its first release, the Bugatti Chiron has stood as the ultimate symbol of performance, elegance, and automotive engineering. And now, in 2026, Bugatti has once again pushed boundaries. The new model doesn't just improve on speed, it reimagines the idea of a road-legal hypercar for a new era. Let's talk about design. The 2026 Chiron keeps its instantly recognizable shape, the wide C-shaped line along the sides, the low-slung stance, and that massive center spine that runs from the hood to the tail. But now, everything is sharper, lighter, and even more aerodynamic. The body is built almost entirely from next-general carbon fiber, making the car lighter by over 100 kilograms compared to the previous version. The front fascia has been re-sculpted with active aero elements. At high speeds, hidden flaps adjust in real time to optimize airflow. The LED headlamps are now slimmer, more aggressive, and equipped with adaptive beam tech that responds to road conditions instantly. Around back, the iconic taillight bar has been updated into a floating 3D LED strip that lights up the Chiron's name in red when braking. The 2026 Chiron also introduces active air scoops, an advanced rear diffuser, and a fully retractable rear wing that acts as both a spoiler and an air brake. This isn't just beautiful, it's functional down to the last millimeter. But let's get to the heart of it, performance. The 2026 Chiron is still powered by Bugatti's famous 8.0-liter W16 quad-turbo engine, but now with hybrid electric assist. This hybrid system adds an extra 250 horsepower through dual electric motors at the front axle, making the 2026 Chiron all-wheel drive with active torque vectoring. The total combined output, a monstrous 1,800 horsepower. That's enough to take the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds flat, and a top speed, electronically limited for safety, of 445 kilometers per hour, or roughly 276 miles per hour. This makes the 2026 Chiron not only the fastest Bugatti ever but also one of the fastest production cars in human history. Bugatti calls this powertrain configuration Hyperdrive Plus, and it's tuned for more than just straight-line speed. Thanks to the instant torque from the electric motors and the finely balanced AWD system, the Chiron now dominates corners in a way its predecessors never could. Whether you're blasting down a straight or carving through mountain roads, this Chiron delivers laser-sharp handling. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Chiron is luxury science fiction. The interior is stripped of unnecessary weight but flooded with premium materials. Expect full-grain leather, carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum accents, and a futuristic floating console design. The instrument cluster is now a 3D holographic display, projected in front of the steering wheel. All key driving data, speed, RPM, energy flow, and G-force, is customizable and moved with your eye line. There's also a built-in performance coaching AI that gives you real-time feedback on your driving and even suggests brake and acceleration points during track sessions. The center infotainment screen is minimalist but powerful. It supports over-the-air updates, track mapping, onboard diagnostics, and even a virtual driving instructor mode. The seats are carbon shell performance buckets, custom molded to each owner's body specs. And yes, despite all the tech and speed, this car is still surprisingly road comfortable. The ride quality is adaptive, with smart suspension that scans the road ahead and adjusts damper stiffness in real time. You can cruise the Chiron through city streets in EV-only mode for up to 40 kilometers, totally silent, before unleashing the beast. Safety and innovation go hand in hand. The Chiron now features Level 2 Plus driver assist, including adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, and emergency stop. A special high-speed mode even activates advanced stability management and tire temperature monitoring, giving you real-time feedback to keep the car planted at extreme speeds. The 2026 Chiron will be limited to just 150 units worldwide, and each one is entirely bespoke. Owners get a dedicated Bugatti engineer, a custom-built driving suite, and access to the Bugatti Hypertrack driving experience in Europe and the UAE. Bugatti is also offering a new special edition called the Chiron, Chronos, featuring a time-inspired theme with sapphire crystal interior elements, a unique paint called Quantum Silver, and an engine-turned aluminum plate with your VIN hand engraved by Swiss craftsmen. At over $3.5 million, the 2026 Bugatti Chiron isn't for everyone. But for those lucky few, it represents something no other brand can deliver, the absolute edge of mechanical possibility, without compromise. So what do you think? Has Bugatti outdone itself once again? Would you choose the 2026 Chiron over an EV hypercar like the Rimac Navara or Lotus Evija? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through speed and luxury, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Itstanbir for more hypercar previews, future car concepts, and everything happening in the world of automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fast, stay focused, and keep moving forward.